Before covered calls, iron condors, and all the fancy stuff, there are just two basic building blocks in all of options, calls and puts. Every single strategy is built from these two, and they're both just coupons. Get these two straight, and the entire options world opens up for you. Same toy robot, two simple coupons. Let's nail it. Quick foundation first. An option is just a coupon, a deal that gives you the right to do something at a set price called the strike by a certain date. That's it. There are exactly two types of these coupons depending on what the coupon lets you do. One lets you buy, one lets you sell. Those are calls and puts. Master which is which, and you've cracked the whole code. Let's meet them one at a time. First, the call. A call is a coupon that lets you buy the robot at a set price. Say Lucy has a call to buy the robot for $10. When does she want this? When she thinks the robot is going to go up. Because if it climbs to 15, her coupon still lets her buy it for 10, a $5 win. So a call is a bet that the price goes up. Easy way to remember it, with a call, you're calling dibs to buy. Calls are for when you're feeling bullish, expecting the price to rise. Now the put. A put is the opposite. It's a coupon that lets you sell the robot at a set price. Say Lucy has a put to sell the robot for $10. When does she want this? When she thinks the robot is going to drop or she wants insurance. Because if it crashes to 5, her coupon still lets her sell it for 10, saving her from the crash. So a put is a bet that the price goes down or protection if you already own it. Remember it like this, a put lets you put the robot back and sell it at your price. Now here's where all the strategies come from. You can buy or sell each of these coupons, which gives 4 moves. Buy a call, you pay and you profit if it goes up. Buy a put, you pay and you profit if it goes down. Sell a call, you get paid now and you're betting it won't go up much. That's your covered call. Sell a put, you get paid now, betting it won't fall much. That's your cash secured put. For simple moves, and every strategy you've ever heard of is just some combination of these 4. Here's a crucial difference to burn in. When you buy a call or a put, you pay money and you're hoping for a move. And remember theta, time is slowly melting your option away. When you sell a call or a put, you get paid money up front and time is on your side working for you. That's why buying options feels like buying lottery tickets, exciting but often expiring, worthless. While selling options is more like being the calm house collecting premiums. Neither is right or wrong, but always know which side of the coupon you're on. In real stocks, it's the same, just in bundles of 100 shares. A call gives you the right to buy 100 shares at the strike price. A put gives you the right to sell 100 shares at the strike. If you think a stock will rise, you look at calls. If you think it'll fall or you want to protect shares you own, you look at puts. Every option chain you'll ever see is just a big menu of these two coupons at different strikes and different dates. That's genuinely all it is. Let's lock it in with a memory trick. A call is for up, think of calling the price higher, up, up, up. A put is for down, think of putting the price down. Then buying either one means you pay and you're hoping for the move. Selling either one means you get paid now and time works for you. Call for up, put for down, buy to bet, sell to get paid. For little pieces, and you can now understand the label on every options trade in the world. So here's the whole thing in one sentence a 5-year-old could repeat. A call is a coupon to buy, so it bets the price goes up, and a put is a coupon to sell, so it bets the price goes down. Everything else in options is just those two coupons bought or sold in different combinations. And that's calls and puts, the two building blocks behind absolutely everything in options. A call is a coupon to buy, betting the price rises. A put is a coupon to sell, betting it falls or protecting what you own. Get these two straight and every strategy suddenly makes sense. If this gave you the foundation, subscribe because we explain every scary trading idea like your 5, one at a time. This is for learning only, not financial advice.